I say this to say that where do I see the future going? Things are not getting better. And I hear the folks who say things like, well, there's more awareness and now everyone's a snowflake. And I think there's some validity in some of those perspectives.
I just say when anybody says one thing,
however,
like it's never just one thing.
Right. Objectively, scientifically, we're noticing that kids today, their brains are different. I think technology is a piece. We can go on and on to that wormhole. But folks are recognizing that traditional talk therapy of just like, how does that make you feel? And here's our coping strat. It's not sufficient enough to meet the needs of today for many folks. Like 80% around of our clients, we have almost 200 clients at Quantum. 80% of our clients have had prior therapy before and either wasn't helpful, quote unquote, or they felt it was, and then they plateaued and they're looking for more. I think spirituality is on the rise, whatever that means for folks in a non-denominational sense. We're like, who am I? Where am I going? What is this intuition, this sense I get? Again, call it quantum mechanics, call it anything you want, but like this deep gut knowing I have. How do I strengthen that like a muscle? Plant medicine use is on the rise. Where can I go and talk to a clinician where they're not going to judge that and call it necessarily a drug? So I think in a field, this holistic approach is getting more and more popular, as it should be, because the desire is greater. For quantum, what do I hope? I hope that as a practice owner, I can use it as a platform to do greater good. I'm working with legislators around things like school-based mental health, substance use funding, these kind of things. So stepping into the legislative stuff